At the day of the revolution, police have no go wait.
All anti-people policies must be reversed.
I'm here to assure the NSC that we are going to give maximum protection.
Rice is no longer affordable for Nigerians.
At the day of the revolution, police have no go wait.
Okay.
Soldiers have na dem go dey force dey bite themselves. Na dey spend dollar. We will get naira na come make sure say our naira no gree work again. Tinubu, we are tired of you.
Bring back subsidy.
8 months after, we have not seen anything. Things are getting worse every day. In removing subsidy that people have been benefiting for years, you increase it by almost, you increase fuel by almost about 387%. A very essential commodity to the people, and you expect that thing not to have a spiral effect on other sectors.